Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. In today's video, I'll show you on how to find cheap used laptop direct from China on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu shopping app. After you open up your Xianyu shopping app from the home page right here, next thing you want to do is to swipe this way, swipe more again, and continue. Then here you go. You have all laptop, whether Mac or Windows PC, accessory, and complete PC right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different types of laptop sections right here and the laptop accessory right here. Continue to scroll down and more is going to load, just like what you see right here. So if you find any interesting deal right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the particular product link. So continue to scroll down right here. Let's, for instance, if you are interested in this particular CPU right here, go ahead and click on it. And it's going to load to the detail about the product. You can read the description of the product. If this is exactly what you need, go ahead and chat with the seller and place your order. Let's go back and then continue to scroll down. You see a cooling fan right here. This is a desktop right here going for 1,200 yuan. So if you are interested in this type of desktop, go ahead and chat with the seller and place your order on Xianyu app. Let's go back right here and continue to scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to source cheap products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.